Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the function keys on ACER Predator 17. And in order to use the function keys, you can see there are different ones on the keyboard. And what I mean by that is especially the F1, F2, F3, and so on all the way to the F12. And to understand them, you need to see that there are the white markings and the blue markings. The white markings just work as they are pressed, just normally. They are actually assigned in apps to different functions, and it depends on the app, so it's not really for me to explain, because it really depends on the app you're using. I can give you some examples. Like F1 typically opens help in most of the apps. F11 may open full screen mode in some apps, and F12 in browsers, for example, opens up the developer mode. And there are also the blue markings, and they are not only on the F keys, but also I can see some on the home, page up, page down, and also there are some secondary functions on the arrows. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera, but there are these arrows, and they also have like some markings in corners. And to use them, you need to combine them with the F1 key. And for example, the F3 should typically turn on the Wi-Fi settings. Then F1 and F4 would put your device to sleep. You can see it does. Now I need to unlock it. Okay. Now the other one, the F5, should open projection settings, so if you have a second screen, then that'll help you. Fn plus F6 turns your screen black, but if you click on anything it goes back. Fn and F7 turns off the touchpad, but I don't like this option here because it doesn't work interchangeably with the button next to the touchpad that you have right here. Right here. You can see you can turn the touchpad off or turn it on, and it doesn't work interchangeably with the F7. So if you disable it here, then you won't really see the red light here, and you will need to enable it through this option. Then Fn and F8 will mute the speaker. F9 with the Fn, of course, will change keyboard backlight. Fn and the F12 will do scroll lock, which is a legacy option. You probably don't need to use that anyway. Then Fn and home will play media. Page up will stop. The home will play or pause, and page up will stop. Then there is rewind, fast forward, and on the arrows you have volume up and volume down, the up and down arrows, and left and right will change the backlight, the screen brightness. Yeah, and this is basically it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.